Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper on your Nokia 105. For that you want to go to your menu and then go to settings and then go to display settings here, go to wallpaper, and now you can decide for another design. We have 3 to select from here and I'm going to choose this one now, and we can make some settings here so we can center the picture, fit to display, or rotate to the left. What happens if I say fit to display? Okay, and then if we go back, this is our new background. I don't even know if you can really see it. It's slightly different. It just says different colors to the one we had before. So that's how you can change your wallpaper on your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.